Hey, anybody see that? That's an egg. Is someone gonna go get it?
We can't do that.
Why not?
Well, it's a dangerous world out there, and we're just penguins. You know, nothing but cute and cuddly.
Yeah. Why do you think there are always documentary crews filming us?
Well, sorry, kid. You know, we lose a few eggs every year. It's just nature.
Oh, right, nature. I guess that makes sense, but something deep down in my gut tells me that it makes no sense at all.
You know what? I reject nature. Who's with me?